Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to be installing these all-weather custom fit floor mats from BaseLayer on this F150. I'll also go over some of the features that these have to offer. I'm going to replace these floor mats that came standard on this F150 and install the BaseLayer floor mats. These floor mats, as you can see, don't protect on the edges. If you spill anything onto them, it's just going to run off the sides or soak into the carpet. In the rear seating here, you can see that the floor mats only cover a portion of the seating area, whereas these BaseLayer floor mats that I'm about to install will cover the whole area. So let's get these installed. Installation of these custom fit floor mats is very simple. To remove this floor mat, there's two tabs. Simply pop them up, slide out your old floor mat. Your new floor mat will have the two tab spots to help hold this in place, as well as a little bit of ribbon on the back here. Slide it into place. Align up the two tabs and press down until you hear it click. And that's all there is to installing the front driver's side floor mat. For the passenger side, you're not going to have these two tabs. They'll just slide into place. All right, now for the rear floor mat, we'll get rid of these small little area carpets that they come with. And we'll get this full coverage area BaseLayer floor mat installed. So the easiest way to get this installed is fold it in half the long way. And it's easier when it's warmer outside. And you can just set it into place. Tuck this up underneath your seat. Tuck the other side up underneath your driver's seat. And slide this up until you hit this little lip right here that comes off of your console. A really nice feature with these floor mats from BaseLayer is this 1-inch lip rise all the way around the entire floor mat. That'll provide extra protection against any spills that could happen inside your vehicle. Any snow melt, rain or water that'll get in, this will trap it inside and it will not run down to your factory upholstery. These floor mats also feature a nice protection against entry. The front floor mats logo comes in 3 different colors. These floor mats have a nice anti-slip pattern to them. And the front floor mats also protect against the sides as well as up against the back of the seat here. And also have the raised edging all the way around to protect against any spills that may happen in the front. The back side of the rear floor mat has a nice ribbed pattern which will secure it into place onto your carpet so it does not slide around. The rear floor mat also has a nice ribbed rubber non-slip pattern to it, which will keep you from slipping and injuring yourself when entering or exiting the vehicle. These floor mats are stylish, offer 100% protection from the elements, and are custom fit for your F150. These floor mats are super easy to install. Very stylish for your vehicle, are flexible and pliable so they will not tear or crack, and are all-weather, all-season floor mats. They also come with a limited lifetime warranty and they're made in the USA. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and remember to get outdoors with Deano.